Hello guys, I'm Ayush, a first year medical student in KMC Manipal, and today I'll be talking about the hostel facilities provided by KMC for people to stay. So I'll be talking about what are the hostels that boys can stay in. So this video will be particularly focused for boys hostel, and so let's begin. So, talking about hostels in KMC. So, there are basically three main options for boys that are Nehru Hostel, which I am staying in, Amartya Sen, which is in front of the Nehru Hostel, NIH, which is the newly built NIH hostel that I have shown you guys in my campus tour video. You can go check it out by clicking on the link I can cover. So these are the basic three options. Apart from this, there's another option chosen by few students, that is staying in an apartment. So apartments are basically outside the Mahe campus, and they are totally individual. So people can shift into apartments anytime after first year, and apartments do not have any curfew, so people can come in and out at any time. That is the basic advantage of taking an apartment. First, let's talk about Nehru hostels. So Nehru hostels are basically non-AC hostels, and there are three blocks: A, B and C. So A block is just for first year, and it has double rooms, and B and C are for second year onwards, and they have a double room in B block and a single room in C block. So they both are interconnected, and one can freely go from B block to A block. It's just they're called A block and B block based on which type of rooms they have, and so we have to shift from A block to B or C in our first year. We can choose to take a single room or a double room, so that will be our choice. Then talking about Amartya Sen next. So Amartya Sen is an AC hostel. So all of the rooms in Amartya Sen are single AC, and this can be allotted in first year also. Few of my friends are staying in Amartya Sen, and they have a single room with AC, and those are good rooms. So one of the downside of Amartya Sen is there is a lot of waiting time, because so many people want to go there, and there's a long waiting list. So what happens is we can apply to Amartya Sen, and there's a waiting list for students. So whenever there's a room free in the hostel, it will be allotted to the person who is up in the waiting list. So that's about Amartya Sen. And next, let's talk about NIH. And recently my roommate shifted to NIH, and a few of my friends also shifted to NIH. So for boys, basically B block is for boys, and it has single AC rooms. So talking about the fee structure of each of these hostels, first we'll talk about Nehru hostel. So Nehru hostel are non-AC, so technically the least expensive will be Nehru, and for it there are three blocks, right? So the first year, that is double, and the B block of Nehru is also double, so they both cost the same, which is around 1,18,500. This was for Nehru A and B hostel. Now for Nehru C hostel, these are single rooms and with attached bathroom, non-AC, so they'll cost an extra around 5,000, extra 5,000 to 500. So this is about Nehru ABC. So next we'll talk about Amartya Sen, which is AC. So the prices will go high. So single AC with attached bathroom is 1,88,000. Here's a big jump. But now next talking about the NIH hostels, B block single AC attached bathroom. These are 2,05,000. So this is the fee structure according to 2018, and this is what we are paying right now. So what does this all include? So this all includes the mess, electricity, and whatever utility charges they cost, and cleaning. This all comes under this. So we're allowed to keep electric kettles, refrigerators, and other electrical appliances. What we have to do is we have to write an application to the warden and just inform the hostel about whatever we are keeping, and they'll deduct a certain amount of money from our these deposits, and monthly it will be deducted, and it will be as simple as that. So this is all about boys hostels in KMC Manipal, and so that's it for this video, and please subscribe my channel for more such content.